friends, my name is Jaival Ganesh Patil. I am studying in second standard. I am telling you about solar system. In our solar system, there are 8 planets and one big ball of fire is called Sun. In our solar system, first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet from the Sun. Venus is the second planet in our solar system. Earth is third planet in our solar system. Earth is our home. Earth is covered with 70% water and 30% land. Fourth, Mars is fourth planet. Do you know Mars is also called red planet? Fifth is Jupiter. Jupiter is a fifth planet in our solar system. Jupiter is very big planet in our solar system. Saturn is sixth planet in our solar system. Saturn have ring of gases that make it beautiful. Seventh is Uranus. Uranus is a seventh planet in our solar system. The eighth planet in our solar system is Neptune. Neptune is coldest planet and dark planet. Thank you for watching. Bye.